Good morning and welcome, students. I am your social science teacher Namisha. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. Today we are just continue the chapter number 5 of social science, Democratic Republic of Congo and the land of dense forests. So here we start with this point, occupation. Class, this is see that the occupation, and tell me that what is that meaning of occupation. So, the occupation means a job or a profession. What is that meaning of occupation? A job or profession. So, what is the occupation of the Democratic Republic of Congo's people? The main occupation is agriculture. Agriculture is a main occupation of people in a Democratic Republic of Congo. There is a thick forest. There is a what type of forest are there? Thick means heavy forest are there. And cut and burn यानी कि क्या करते हैं? कट करते हैं एंड बर्न करते हैं. कट करके उसे जला देते हैं. बर्न टू क्लियर द लैंड फॉर farming, and the main food of crops are grown here, that is cassava, rice and maize. And cassava is a staple food. Cassava is a staple food. Beta, what is that meaning of staple food? So staple food means that food eaten regularly, यानी कि वो फूड जो हम डेली में खाते हैं. लाइक अगर हम कहें व्हाट इज़ द नॉर्थ इंडिया स्टेपल फूड, सो दैट इज़ अ वीट. वीट मीन्स गेहूँ. सो कसावा इज़ अ स्टेपल फूड ऑफ DRC. DRC मीन्स डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक ऑफ कॉन्गो. इट्स रूट्स आर ड्राइड. ड्राइड मीन्स जिसमें से कि लिक्विड सूखा, okay, with the all the liquid removed from it. So dried and into cut into the ground and into flour of making bread. So cassava is the staple food of Democratic Republic of Congo. और उसकी roots कैसी होती है? Dried and ground into flour making a bread. So the main cash crops grown here: coffee, cocoa, rubber, tobacco and oil palm. What is the cash crop? Cash crop क्या होती है? So cash crop plants that people grow to sell and not to eat or use themselves. Here is a crop बेटा, जो plants and crop peoples grow तो करते हैं for a selling purpose. Selling means for a selling purpose, and grown here to include a coffee, cocoa, rubber, tobacco, oil and palm leaves. So cash crops are mainly exported to Europe and North America. Where they are exported? Exported means to send goods usually for sell. ठीक है, यानी कि बेचने के लिए जो एक्सपोर्ट किया जाता है. एंड वेयर इट इज सेंडेड टू यूरोप एंड नॉर्थ अमेरिका. Fishing is another important occupation of people here. Fishing is also a job or profession of people here. So now the second one is religion. What is that religion? Religion, about 90% of population of DRC follow Christianity. What they are? Which religion are they follow? Christianity. And rest of follow is Islam. It means 90% are follow Christian, 90% peoples are Christian there, and 10% are the follow the Islam. Now the second language. What is the language of? Just say you have a language, you have a mother is Hindi, official language is English. So as for that, Democratic of Republic Congo people having a which type of language? French language. French is the official language of DRC. And another language spoken here, that is Lingala, Kukongo, Swahili, Shiluba. These are the languages name beta. Okay, जैसे in India our language is what? English. Okay, but in Hindi is our mother tongue, and Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Odissi, Sindhi, these are the languages. So same as that, official language of DRC, that is a French, and another spoken language are Kingla, Kikongo, Swahili, Shiluba. Apart from these language, many other language are also spoken here. So another point, that is a minerals and industry. Some are minerals. So DRC यानी कि Democratic Republic of Congo is a rich in minerals. There is a lot of minerals, especially a cobalt. What is that cobalt? Cobalt is a hard silver and white metal. Have you seen that? Iron, copper, aluminium, these are the metal. But in DRC, there is a world cobalt in present here 80%. Cobalt what is? A hard silver and white metal, and it also more than 30% of diamond reservoirs. यानी कि here is a diamond reservoirs also. Reservoir means a special keep something for a special reason to use a later time. यानी कि बहुत टाइम के लिए हम लोग कहीं पर कोई चीज़ सेव करके रखते हैं, that is a reservoir. So another minerals are also found here, that is a copper, silver, gold, zinc, manganese, coal, iron, ore and radium. There are only a few industries due to lack of technology and energy resources. Beta, I have also already told you DRC has a dense forest and minerals are also there. So वहाँ पर बेटा industries काफ़ी few है, काफ़ी बिकॉज ऑफ लैक ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी. वहाँ पर टेक्नोलॉजी की भी कमी है. सो मेन इंडस्ट्रीज आर लोकेटेड हेयर. एंड वट काइंड ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज आर लोकेटेड हेयर? फॉर अ फूड टेक्सटाइल, फूड प्रोसेसिंग, टेक्सटाइल मीन्स क्लोथ इंडस्ट्री, बेवरेज मीन्स tea, coffee industries are there, cigarette industries are there, footwear, you are wearing na sandal or sandals, shoes, slippers. So footwear is there. And mineral processing, have you seen in the picture as well? There is a textile industry also. Now come to that transport. Due to dense forest means, what is the meaning of dense? It's difficult to see, घना, काफ़ी heavy. So due to dense forest, land transport is not well developed in DRC. There is a lot of forest here. So just because of it is a heavy forest here, so वहाँ पर land transport is very difficult. Water transport is still the main important transport here. There is a water transport. People are going one place to another in a water transport. However, nowadays air transport becoming popular. So beta, in DRC nowadays is air transport is also there. And cities. Now we are reading about cities of DRC. Kinshasa is the capital of Democratic Republic of Congo. Democratic of Republic Congo की capital क्या है? Kinshasa. Some major cities are also there, like a Democratic Republic of Congo, Kawanga, Kisangani, Likasi और Lubumbashi. These are the important cities over there means डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक कॉन्गो में ये बहुत सारी cities भी हैं. And what is the capital of Democratic Republic of Congo? That is a Kinshasa. Okay, so now the chapter is finished here. Beta, there is some videos and I have given some PDF of this exercise. Question number A, B and C you are doing in your notebook with the complete handwriting. And there is a page number also कि page number 35 पे this is the answer of first, page number 36 पे this is the answer of second 36, and page number 40 पे this is the answer of C का third part. Thank you so much students.